Magandang umaga! Happy Saturday, guys! Ang tagal ko na naman natulog kagabi. As in, grabe. Lately, anong oras na ako natutulog? Almost 3 na ako nakatulog kagabi. Naunahan pa ako ni Dan. Tapos nagising ako 9. Kasi meron kaming i-check na bahay. Alas 10. So, sana may time pa ako. Wala na akong time gawin yung buhok ko. So, hayaan ko lang siya i-air dry. After naman ng inspection after naman namin i-check yung bahay, balik kami dito. Pero I'm having my coffee. Sana may time ako na mainom yan. 9:46 na. Malapit lang naman dito yung i-check namin. So, yeah. And maybe sama ako sa girls mamaya. Hindi ko pa sure kung ano talaga yung plano nila. Pero parang napag-usapan kagabi na magsha-shopping. Ay, tingin-tingin lang ba? Kasi nandito sila Manay. And then, mamayang gabi, may dinner kami. Nakabook na yun. Kasi open na ang pub. Open na sila. Well, matagal na naman sila nag-open. Pero ngayon, 80 people na yung allowed inside. Kasi noon, 20 lang 20 at a time. So, nakapag-book si Dan. Mamaya sa tower, guys, mag-chicken burger tayo. Update sa ating belly. Currently 19 weeks and 3 days pregnant. So, sige na kape. Mag-ano ka na. Kasi si Dan ready na, guys. He is ready. Yung bulaklak na binigay niya, wala na. Maganda pa din, pero wala na. Namamatay na sila. Hello, my love.
Hello, Dad.
What's happening in your world today?
Nothing.
Nothing's happening in your world? Nothing exciting?
No.
Alright, so we're off to the house. Again, malapit lang to sa bahay namin, guys. What do you like about this house?
It's very modern.
And close to the block as well.
Close to the block.
Close to everything.
Yeah, it's a good location.
Yeah.
No double garage, it's only negative.
Yo, hindi siya double garage, guys.
That's alright.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world.
Okay lang. Your car stays outside,
Yeah.
my love. We're here?
This is Australian.
Okay. Maganda yung floor.
Groups here.
Garage.
We're not going to get it. There are a few groups here. We don't want to for another 2 weeks.
Okay. Baka maunahan tayo, no? But how about the garage? Look. Is that big enough? Can the baby and I come out freely?
No, they're skinny garages.
No. Mga skinny na yung mga garage sa mga bagong bahay. Just?
Just.
Yeah. I think I'll be alright.
You'll be alright.
Yeah. Main bedroom, guys. Meron silang ceiling fan and walk-in robe. Yeah, this is alright, babe. Pero sabi ni Dan, baka hindi daw namin makuha. Hindi pa namin kasi kailangan ngayon. 2 weeks pa. Meron silang pantry. Sorry?
Our pantry will be a little bit bigger.
Our new pantry, yeah?
Yeah, a bit bigger.
Okay, yep. Oh, that's good though. I like
No
that.
dishwasher.
No dishwasher? Ah, we can put one.
I'm going to put one there.
Isang taon lang. Maganda yung floor. Gusto ko yung floor. Pagod na ako kakalinis ng tiles, guys. Gusto ko na floorboards ganito. Nice outside, low maintenance. We can have dinner here. Not now, it's really cold. Yeah, but it's nice. No?
I'll do the job.
Yeah, with no dishwasher.
No dishwasher.
That means you will need to wash the dishes all the time, my love. Ito na naman siya sa kanyang human measurement. My love. 1, 2, 3. Sige nga.
The measurements are about right. It's about a meter.
Is it really?
I don't work all the time.
I know.
It's a little bit fairer. It's about a meter. It's not bad.
Oh no, it's not bad, but maunahan tayo. What it?
We'll just measure the garage. It may be worth applying and just seeing.
Okay.
There's everything else we can live with.
No
Sure.
dishwasher?
Because I do the dishes anyway.
Oh.
I do the dishes.
Right. At night time, but during daytime, I do the dishes all the time. When you're home, do you see dishes around? No, you don't. Oh, whatever, babe. Grabe talaga siya. Wala na lang talaga akong ginagawa. I like the kitchen. Very white. No? Cupboards. Gusto ko din na may ganun, oh. And our fridge will fit, yeah?
Yeah, let's measure.
O sige, measure. Measure with your feet. Wow. Wow.
Right there, good there.
And I like the floorboards. Do you like this color?
Not for a new house.
Not for a new house? Hala, uy, what's the color of our new house floor is gonna be? Green?
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Wait. This is laminated, babe, no? It's not stone. 3 meters yung garage though. Are you writing it down?
Just take a photo.
Good job, my love.
And my camera's working today.
You're techie. Uy, yung camera ng phone niya, guys, nasisira, do. Nasisira. Gamit pa niya naman lagi. Oh, good? Bumpy road, my love.
Yeah, it's a Chaka road.
Bumpy road. Where are we going?
To the bakery, my love.
What are we getting, my love?
You're gonna get a pie.
You're getting a pie for yourself.
Yeah, maybe.
One night, nanood kami ni Dan ng MasterChef. Yung ano nila, yung challenge nila is gumawa ng toast. Naisip ko, hala, gusto ko ng croissant, igabi na yun. Sabi ni Dan, wag naman ganyan yung mga request. Kasi pang umaga yun yung croissant. Ham and cheese croissant yung gusto ko. So, available siya sa bakery sa umaga. Sabi ni Dan, sa lahat ba naman yung request? Ham and cheese croissant pa talaga. So, hindi ko nakuha yung ham and cheese croissant ko nun. But now, we will have some.
We're gonna look at some number plates for Raz's car.
We're getting my car. Well, not now, but
No, we're just choosing some number plates.
we got the color, guys.
With a sunroof.
With the sunroof.
For free.
Kasi hindi talaga nila nahanap yung walang sunroof na puti. Like, nag-contact na sila ng lahat ng dealership sa Australia and wala. So, sabi nila, meron kaming puti, merong sunroof, yun na lang yung ibibigay namin sa inyo. And dahil sa inconvenience, bigay namin sa inyo yung sunroof ng walang extra charge. Kasi, binigay nila sa amin yung option na yun noon. Eh ako, ayoko naman talaga ng may sunroof. Wala akong pakialam. Alam mo yun, parang hindi siya kailangan para sa akin. And it is 2,500 guys. Para lang sa sunroof. Na feeling ko hindi ko naman gagamitin kasi ayoko naman ng sana. Anyway, we're heading to Lexus again. Pipili kami ng number plate. Bibilhin kasi namin yung number plate na parang maliit, slim number plate. Kasi yung kasama sa car ngayon, ano siya, medyo malaki siya guys. Tapos hindi siya kasya sa like hulma ng number plate ng sasakyan. Parang ano siya, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hindi na sana kami pupunta. Sabi na Dan, pwede ba namin siyang piliin online? Like mag-send ka ng email ng mga number plate. Kasi number plate lang naman. Pero sabi niya, na siguro mas maganda kung pumunta kayo. So punta tayo guys. Pero yeah, nakuha natin yung kulay. Thank you, Lexus.
Thank you, Lexus. This is not sponsored.
No, it's not sponsored. Uy, nako. I wish.
I wish as well. Oh, someone said your crush has it.
Huh?
Catherine Bernardo, whatever. She's got a Lexus.
Does she?
Apparently.
Huh?
Someone said.
My
in the comments.
crush?
You said she's cute.
Yeah, she's cute. Is that crush?
Yeah, well, you said that if there was any. Never mind.
Gawa-gawa na naman. She's got a Lexus as well.
She probably got like 20 cars.
She probably got like a Lexus, BMW, others. Lexus is like the cheapest one.
Ferrari, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Now we don't know, babe. Did you read that somewhere?
Only new comments.
Ah. Aww. Dito na naman tayo. Last na talaga to before namin i-pick up yung sasakyan. Last time before we pick up the car? Last time. Dito kami sa taas. May mga sasakyan na dito. See? Yung titanium. This is the titanium. Sa shade, kapag may shade, it looks lighter, guys. Pero kapag nasa labas na, nagiging ganito yung kulay niya. Yung parang very dark gray. Pero sa loob, maganda siya. Tapos when I was actually editing the video, sabi ko, hala, ang ganda ng titanium tingnan sa video. Pero sa labas, para lang siyang dark gray talaga, guys, na ganito yung kulay. Eh, mostly nasa labas yung ano eh. Ganyan yung lalagyan ng number plate, manipis, 'di ba? Pero yung kasama sa car, ganito. Malaki. So, yung premium na number plate, ganito siya, slim. So, yun yung pinili namin. Nakapili na kami. Tinanong namin si ate kung ito na yung car namin, pero sabi niya hindi daw to. Luxury to, yung amin sport. It has a sunroof, yeah? Merong sunroof? Yan yung titanium. Maganda yung titanium sa camera talaga. Kasi lumalabas yung 12 different shades of whatever. Pero, white tayo, guys. Dito na naman ako sa loob ng sasakyan. Uy, uy, uy! Put this back. Yan yung sunroof. See, maliit lang, guys. 2,500 na yan. Nakaubo naman ako, babe. Hindi ka marunong mag-set na sasakyan ko. Wait! Tapos na kami sa Lexus, guys. Nag-drive na kami pabalik dito sa area namin. Punta tayong Coles saglit. Because tomorrow, we will have dinner sa bahay ng kambal ni Danny Boy. Because he missed the boys. Do you miss the boys, my love?
Which boys?
Huh?
Which boys?
Boys. Eli and Theo.
For breakfast, yeah.
Yeah.
Did you say dinner? What you said dinner?
No. Tomorrow. I said tomorrow we're having breakfast with them. Did I say dinner?
What you said dinner?
Tomorrow, we will have dinner sa bahay ng kambal ni Danny Boy. No, I don't think so, babe. Bukas punta kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. Breakfast. Best car park ever. In and out lang tayo. Ano lang pang breakfast? Hash brown, orange juice. Let's be quick kasi I need to pee again.
I'm gonna throw these out.
They still have water there. Meron pa akong tubig. Can you open it, please? Thank you. Orange juice. Ito na yung last, guys. Dito na. Hash brown, maple syrup, drinks, brownies. Orange juice. Okay, iwan na kita. I'm gonna leave you. Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, fine.
Is your girlfriend coming over?
Hey, sexy babe. Yeah, she's sleeping now. I'm coming about 20.
Oh, wow.
Sexy babe.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Alright.
Why? Puntahan ko si Lyra. Sunduin natin si Lyra. Tapos sabay kami punta TTP. Nandun na din sila manay. Sikat, masakit daw yung ulo. Tapos sila work. Dito na kami sa loob. Hello! Asan si Huli? Sa likod. Ayaw na niya makipaghawak kay Mami at saka sa akin kay Tita Lyra na siya.
Pumunta pa tayo sa may golf. Di ba pumunta si dyan sa golf shop? Tapos pumunta tayo, nakita tayo ng kayo. Alam mo?
Nakalimutan ko na naman.
Katabi lang sila.
Hindi ko na maalala. Hindi ko na alam.
Sa may Gilong.
Ay, yes. Venice ata yun. Na, tag $2 dito. Dito kami sa Cotton On, guys. Nag-usap pa kami ni Manay kasi sabi niya, nagpunta daw kami na okay, hindi ko malala. Ayan. No. Sabi ko sa kanya, hanapan mo ako ng damit. No. No. I'm really cold. No, I need a jumper. How about a jumper? Is that a jumper? No, it's not.
This one.
No. No. No.
This one.
That's flowers.
You want it?
Can you buy it for me? Yes? Do you have money?
No.
No, why not?
Daddy have money.
Daddy have money.
And my dad.
I know, your dad.
This dad.
Will you buy that for me?
No, I don't have enough.
You don't have enough money.
Only
Okay.
Mom have a ton.
Mom have a ton of money.
No, you know my ton.
A what?
A ton.
A card? Yes, a card. Kala ko tart.
You like this?
Yes. Can you ask mommy to buy that for me, please? Can you ask mommy to buy that for me, please?
That's Mom.
You ask mom.
Yeah.
You ask mom. I really like that one. Can you ask mom? Get it? Pang baby, oh, ang cute. Oo nga. Dito yung mga zip up nila. Sabi kasi nila dapat zip up kasi yung ano daw, buttons, ang hirap daw, lay.
Oo, isa-isahin mo, besh.
Ang cute. Meron ba silang AFL dito? Today's feels. Meron din silang AFL dito. Ala! Tignan mo naman gano'ng kaliit yan. Manay, gano'ng liit. Oo, ala, meron siyang overall.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, Popo! Cute like. So pretty. Ang cute. Ayan, may shoutout ka? Ito sa tatago. Hello guys, thank you. Thank you. Meron din nahihiya dito. Kayo lang ba? Oh, siya din, oh. Dito kami sa Kentaro Sushi. Are you hungry?
Nagutom siya.
Yeah. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Mahirap. Ang daming hindi pwede kainin dito. Sushi. Ay, masarap ba yan yung chicken? Spicy karaagi.
Ano yun din? Ano meron?
Yung chicken ba, masarap yan?
Crunchy.
Medyo.
Oo, parang fried chicken. Walang straw dyan.
Wala, doy.
Sige na, okay. Para tayo pipilas.
Tungab pa mo. Ito na naman tayo sa ramlanan. Ang hirap i-open.
Ako na magbukas sa'yo.
Char.
Okay,
Thank you. Ito na yung ramen ko, guys.
Hindi mo laki. Ang laki-laki na siya.
Ang laki nga. Pork tayo ngayon. Hala. Chashu. Yung kay Manay, chicken. Sushi kay Baba. Yummers, Baba? At least nilagay nila sa separate para makakain sa uli. Oo, hindi din magsag. Tama. Bahay na kami. Is that Tito Dance?
No.
That's so pretty, Baba.
Let me see. Hindi ko nakita to. Ang cute naman yan. Can you wear it? Wear it, Baba. Show me.
Mara, can you pass me the remote, please?
Good job, Baba. Very cute. Oh, show Tito Dan.
Oh, very nice. I'm your princess.
Aww. Malab, I got you something.
Hindi siya nakikinig.
Uy, Malab, I got you something. Uy.
I don't need anything, but what do you...
I know you don't need anything, but I got you something.
What is it?
Jumpa! See?
See?
USA, you like USA? This can be your sweet Jumpa.
Okay.
Mukha mo, babe.
You know that DNA is trucker ducks.
You need Chucky Ducks? Okay, I'll get you Chucky Ducks, okay? There's one more.
Trucker ducks?
You like the color?
Trucker ducks?
Chucky Ducks color? Yeah.
You like trucker ducks?
No! Look at this!
I've got heaps of jumpers.
No, you don't.
I've got heaps.
New York! Nice one!
Let's go New York.
See? That's good in New York.
City.
That's nice, babe. Huwag ka magreklamo.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, look at this. Free.
Free.
Fire Australia. They give it out for free if you reach 50, I think. Yeah. Free, guys. Koala. Okay.
Si Manay meron din kanina.
Oo, si Manay meron din puti. Wala lang sila malaki. The biggest one is small.
That's my size.
That's extra small.
Fucking hell, how's that extra small?
Yeah, but that's like...
Is that sounds like me like a...
You wanna wear this?
No.
Okay.
Ano? T-shirt girl?
Bahay. Bigyan natin yung sa ano. Ano, ito yung binili ko, babe. Ito, guys. Yung sobrang soft. 9 to 10 yung size. Feel this na. Say what, Hollies.
Twins.
Twinning!
Diba?
Kasi yun sa akin. Ang soft kasi. It's really nice. Nalagay? Really soft?
Very nice.
Yung top, very nice.
Galing yan, nakikita. Wala kang pakialam.
Walang pakialam. Kids talaga yun.
Maganda yung top din yun, kaso maliit.
Maliit eh. Feeling ko masikip yung sa ano, shoulder.
Ang nagal-kisip ng lips.
Ah,
May COVID daw.
my God.
I'm sick.
You're not sick.
Come on.
Ano yan? Nilalak ni Dan sa labas. Meron din siyang key eh. Dito kami sa car guys kasi nandito yung car seat ni Holly. Galing sa shopping kanina. Mapunta kami sa pub. First time natin in forever na magpunta ng pub today. Oo.
Kami din.
Oo, kasi ngayon lang nag-open ng maraming customer. 18 na eh. Malapit lang naman dito. Okay lang yung 7 yung pub. Now it is 6:54. We're good. Dito na kami. Tingnan niyo yung outfit ni Jan. Thank you. Ay! Thank you. We've been looking for you. Yeah. Tati! Nandito na pala. Sabi ko, nakasunod kami sa kanila pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan na sila.
Akala namin
Meron tayo function room. Baba, I like your outfit. And you too. Where's my hug, Veronica? Where's Ninang's hug?
And my congratulations.
Tita Mami, hug Tita Mami.
Oh, yung bilis niya ngayon.
Kagabi nag-warm up pa eh. The soup, vegetable soup. Akala ko yung as in dry lang talaga na soup. I mean, yung tubig-tubig talaga ba?
Di ba madami yung soup nila dito doon?
Ito may ano, akala ko, ano ba, sinigang. Tinola. Oh, parang sa social naman na soup na to. Eh, pang dinner ko na naman to. Nahirapan pa mag-order yung iba, tapos binigyan ng free soup. Mabusog na. Kaya nga, ito na lang sana. Busog ko yung nga, kasi ang daming laman.
Hindi na lang ko-order, kunin ko na.
Oo. May bread pa, may... Na-miss ko to. Pero ang laki-laki. Ay, na-miss ko to talaga.
Pero sa kanya.
Chicken, yummers. Makain na din sila, guys. Steak, pa-salmon, ah. Char, ayo, ah. Steak din yung kanya. Ang boys, kompleto na lahat. That's good. Wala na si Dan, ubos na yung burger. Ilang subo lang, ubos na. Good, babe? Danny boy, good? Naghaharutan na naman ang dalawa.
Minsan yung gusto niya
Umupo na kasi nakaunang camera. Kanina pa sila naghaharutan. Uwi na tayo. Kanina pa kami dito, guys. Ang dami ng kalat, ang dami ng airplane.
Who made your Tito Mommy.
Ang sayo niya. Kanina pa niya pinipilit, who made your plane? Proud na proud sa ginawang plane. Tara na. Uy, naihina naman ako. Wow, good job! Ang galing nun. Pag gumawa nun. Uwi na sila. Nag-stop pala sila dito kasi naiwan ni Jan yung phone niya dito. Before kami pumunta sa pub. Mag-iingat kayo. Bye, Baba. Bye, baby. Did you say good night?
You on the couch?
Say good night to the baby. Aww. She said good night, Oli. Late na, guys. Anong oras? 11:36. Pinapanood ko yung boys. Nakaka-happy. Marami na silang vlog. Ang haba pa, 25 minutes. Paulit-ulit ko na naman itong panoorin. Nakakatawa lang. Wala lang. Tawa lang ako ng tawa. Sabi na, huy, mag-toothbrush ka na dyan. Anong oras na kasi malapit na mag-12. Sana makatulog ako ng maaga. Maaga kami bukas. May breakfast kami sa bahay ng kambal niya. Try ko ay, lo, sabi ko pala kay Dan, iinom ako ng milk. Kaya ang dami ko kasi minom ng tubig. Kaya ihi ako ng ihi. Inom pala ako ng warm milk ba? And sana makatulong. My love, do we have milk?
Yeah.
I wanna drink warm milk before I sleep and hopefully it helps me sleep.
Sure.
Yeah. So what, you just put it in the microwave?
I guess. Not for too long though, it'll get too hot.
Papuntang utos ba? Ah, okay. So, not too long, how many minutes?
I'll grab 30 seconds to begin with.
Do you wanna do it for me?
Nope.
Sige na!
No. Alright, give me 5 minutes.
Okay, that's fine, yeah. I'm gonna do my skincare. Thank you! Bayad naman pala eh. Anyway, sana mag-work yung gatas. Update ko kayo bukas. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana guys nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.